few weeks ago, we did a video on 10 richest people from Delhi. And in the comment section, you told us, give us the 10 richest people of Gujarat. So here we go. The first name is something that you and I would expect. It is Mr. Gautam Adani. Now, Gautam Adani is a prominent industrialist and the chairperson of the Adani Group. It is a multinational conglomerate with interests that goes across sectors like infrastructure, energy, logistics, and the agri-business. Adani began his entrepreneurial journey in the late 1970s with a small trading firm. Over the years, he's expanded his business empire and become one of the wealthiest individuals in India. Number 2, Pankaj Patel. Pankaj Patel is a notable figure in the pharmaceutical industry. He serves as the chairman of Zydus Cadila, one of India's leading pharmaceutical companies. Under his leadership, Zydus Cadila has emerged as a key player in the global healthcare sector. It specializes in the development, manufacturing, and marketing of a wide range of pharmaceutical products. Number 3, Karsanbhai Patel. Karsanbhai Patel is an Indian entrepreneur renowned for forming Nirma Limited. It is a leading detergent and consumer goods company. His grassroots marketing strategies, including door-to-door sales, catapulted Nirma into a household name all across India. Over the years, Patel has diversified Nirma's product portfolio into various sectors such as personal care, healthcare, and chemicals, making it present internationally as well. Number 4, Sameer Mehta. Sameer Mehta is a prominent figure in the pharmaceutical industry. He serves as the vice chairman and managing director of Torrent Pharmaceuticals. Mehta's strategic foresight and commitment to innovation has helped Torrent Pharmaceutical grow and expand, earning it recognition for its quality products not just in India but all across the world. Number 5, Sandeep Praveen Bhai. Sandeep Praveen Bhai is a notable figure in the manufacturing industry. He serves as the managing director and CEO of Astral Limited, a leading Indian manufacturer of pipes and piping systems. With a background in engineering, Sandeep has steered Astral to prominent height through strategic expansion and innovative product development. Number 6, Bhatresh Shah. Bhatresh Shah is recognized for his leadership role as the managing director of AIA Engineering Limited. It is a leading manufacturer of high-chrome grinding media and wear-resistant casting globally. Bhatresh's commitment to excellence, coupled with his emphasis on research and development, has cemented AIA Engineering's reputation for quality and reliability. Number 7, Binish Hasmukh Chudkar. Binish Hasmukh Chudkar is a respectable figure in the Indian business community. He is known for his role as the vice chairman and managing director of Intis Pharmaceuticals Limited. With a background in pharmacy, Binish has played a pivotal role in leading Intis to prominence not just in India but globally. His strategic business acumen and commitment to innovation have been instrumental in earning the company recognition for its quality, affordability, and accessibility in all around the world. Number 8, Rajiv Modi. Rajiv Modi is the chairman and managing director of Cadila Pharmaceuticals Limited. With a background in pharmacy and management, Rajiv has been instrumental in guiding Cadila Pharmaceuticals to become one of India's leading pharmaceutical companies. Rajiv's strategic vision and commitment to excellence have improved access to affordable healthcare not just in India but also worldwide. And finally, number 10, Achal Anil Bakheri. Achal Anil Bakheri is a renowned businessman and serves as the chairman and managing director of Symphony Limited. Under his leadership, Symphony Limited has emerged as a global leader in air cooling technology, pioneering innovative products and solutions. Bakheri is also involved in philanthropic initiatives that focus on education, healthcare, reflecting his dedication to the social responsibility for our nation. Now, this list was very inspiring. I want all our viewers to aim and think, can I get on that list? And for more such insights, follow my channel.